Welcome back, everyone. Teacher Kurt here with you again. Today I have a quick video with a few tips that could make your life a little more simple. In English, we call them life hacks. They're just little ways that we can make our lives easier. So, let's get started. As someone who travels fairly often, I think one of the worst aspects of air travel is retrieving your baggage at the end of a long flight. I don't think anyone likes to stand around those crowded baggage carousels, especially if there are a lot of people there. Now, you probably think that you know what your luggage looks like, but it's at this moment that you realize all suitcases they look pretty similar. They kind of look the same. An easy way around this is to tie a bright piece of fabric around the handle of your suitcase. That will make it instantly recognizable. It's cheap, it's easy, and it works. Summer, well, it's kind of far away, right? Another 5 or 6 months before Taiwan gets really hot again. But one of the things I hate most in summertime is when I don't have something cold to drink. So here's an easy way around that. If you have a bottle, whether it's plastic or glass, doesn't matter, take a few paper towels, get them wet, and wrap them around the bottle. Then stick them in the freezer. In 10 to 15 minutes, you should have a really cold drink. And once you have that cold drink, maybe you want to sit down, relax, watch a little TV. Well, there's nothing worse than sitting down on the sofa, starting to relax, chill out, and you realize your remote control doesn't work. Now, if you're like me, you separate your batteries, the good ones from the dead ones. But we all know sometimes things can get a little messy, and maybe you mix them up, and you're a little confused about which ones are good and which ones are bad. Maybe you can't tell. Well, here's an easy way to find out. Bounce them on the table. A good battery will typically bounce once and then roll, whereas a dead battery or a bad battery will bounce many times. And lastly, have you ever noticed how sometimes some of those holes on a shower head just won't let water through? Even if we clean our showers often, it's nearly impossible to get a sponge or a brush to unclog all of those little holes. Well, try this. Get a plastic bag and add equal parts white vinegar and water, and then attach it to the shower head. Now, you want to make sure that the shower head is immersed in the liquid. You can tie the bag on with a rubber band. Just wait about 30 minutes and those holes should be unclogged. And that's all for today. I hope these tips were helpful. I hope you can use at least one of them to make your lives a little easier in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.